Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another video of consumer equilibrium. Today we are going to discuss the marginal utility analysis and consumer equilibrium. How much of a commodity a consumer buys so that he maximize his satisfaction and attain the point of equilibrium. We discuss two different situations. First, when only one commodity is consumed, and second, when two or more commodity are consumed. First, we discuss the single commodity model. In a single commodity model, the purchase of commodity by a consumer depend on the three factors. First, price of the commodity. Second, marginal and total utility of commodity. Third, marginal utility of money. Let us suppose that consumer want to purchase only one commodity with his income, and the question is how much quantity should he purchase to reach the level of equilibrium. It means that how much quantity that consumer can purchase to reach his equilibrium. In this situation, the consumer should purchase that quantity of commodity where the marginal utility of the commodity in the term of money become equal to the price of commodity. Now another question arises, how can we find out the marginal utility of commodity in the terms of money? If we divide the marginal utility of a commodity by the marginal utility of rupees, means if we divide the marginal utility of commodity in the terms of utility by the marginal utility of rupees, we get the marginal utility of the commodity in the terms of money. That is formula MUX in the terms of money, MUM is equal to MUX in the terms of utility divided by MU of rupees, MUR. Now what is the marginal utility of rupees? It is the worth of rupees to a consumer in the terms of other goods. In other words, the marginal utility of rupees is the extra utility that consumer get from the expenditure of one additional rupees on the available goods. We can say that a consumer defined in its terms of utility that he derived from the standard basket of goods that he can buy with a rupees. Now we can understand marginal utility of commodity in the terms of money with the help of example. Suppose the marginal utility of X is 40 utils and marginal utility of rupees is 5 utils. Then the marginal utility of X in the terms of money will be equal to 8, means 40 divided by 5. Hence the condition for consumer equilibrium in one commodity model will be follows. MU in the terms of money, MUM is equal to price of commodity PX, that is MU of product MUX divided by MU of rupees MUR is equal to PX, or we can say that MUX is equal to PX where when MUR is equal to 1. Let's take one example. Price of good X is equal to rupees 3 and 1 rupees is equal to 2 unit, that is MUR is equal to 2. When consumer purchase first unit, MUX is equal to 10 and MUM is equal to 5. MUM is equal to 5 we get from, that is MUX divided by MUR, that is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Like that, when consumer purchase the second unit MUM we get 4, and when he purchased the third unit the MUM is equal to 3. Here we get the consumer equilibrium at third unit, because at this level MUM is equal to PX, means the price is 3 is equal to MUM. After fourth unit he get MUM 2 and fifth unit 1 and sixth unit that is equal to 0. So we can say the consumer will be in equilibrium at unit 3, because at this level MUM is equal to PX. Thank you.